Oh my goodness. What have y'all done? Did y'all set a tent up in the living room? It's the whole living room. My goodness. What are y'all doing? Are y'all roasting marshmallows?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Lane, are you roasting marshmallows?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's awesome. Can I roast a marshmallow?
Yeah. You don't have one.
Oh man.
I would actually eat it.
Hold on, let me go get a marshmallow. All right, I got me a marshmallow. All right, here's my marshmallow.
Roast your marshmallow. Yours is actually.
Oh, I got it too close to the fire. I burned it. I better fling it off of here. Oh, I hit Lane in the head with it. Lane, do you have marshmallow stuck to your head? Let me see, where'd my marshmallow go? Oh my goodness, I lost my marshmallow. You find it, Lane? Hey, my marshmallow. I wonder if it's still good. Looks a little crispy, but I'll eat it. Oh, that's not good. Lane, you go back down there and you cook me a good marshmallow, okay?
Okay. Here you go, marshmallow.
Oh, this one's mine? Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna actually eat it.
You gonna eat them off of there? What are y'all doing inside the tent?
Watching a movie.
Oh, we're watching a movie in a tent? Let me see.
I'm gonna go shoot it up there.
What are y'all watching? Is this a gun? Do y'all have a gun in case there's bears?
Yeah.
Have y'all had any bears out here?
Yes.
Oh! I'm not a bear! Oh! You shot me too? I just wanted to see what y'all were doing in here. I didn't say I wanted to be hunted like a bear. Don't shoot me anymore. All right, show me your movie in here. Let me see. What movie are y'all watching? Oh, sweet. Are those BB-8? Are those BB-8 sleeping bags?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let me see. Oh, y'all got Daddy a spot in here too?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, y'all got a movie up here. Let me see. Let me lay down in my spot and check it out. Oh.
You lay on your phone.
All right.
Everybody just use the screen and make it.
Let's all lay down in our sleeping bags.
Daddy, can you find my bullet? I'm actually.
We'll find your bullet in a minute. Come sit. Let's watch our movie. Can somebody turn it on?
I can.
Lane, can you push the button? Logan, that's not how you turn it on. You don't shoot it to turn it on. Lane, can you turn it on? Can you push the play button?
Yeah, but it's way up there.
Okay, we'll see if you can reach it. Not on me. How did y'all even get it up there? Oh, I'm not a, oh, get off of me. Oh, you shot Lane? You shot him? Oh, don't stand on me. Ow, oh my goodness. Y'all are so mean to me.
You're not stepping on it.
All right, turn it on. Turn it on, I got your leg. There's like a 12% chance you're not gonna fall. Hurry up, hit the play button. You're squishing me. All right. Oh, okay, you fell a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, are we watching Ghostbusters? Logan's got his bear hunter. Lane's got a bear hunter. Awesome. Hey boys, come here. Let's all get in here together.
I see
A deer? Logan, we're not hunting deer.
I want to hunt a deer.
Lane, hey, come over here. Oh, shot me again. No, not giving you your bullet back so you stop shooting me. Hey, both of y'all, come here. Let's say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Come over here. Lane, you gotta come over here so they can see you saying bye. Otherwise, they just think. All right. Oh, okay. All right, bye. Bye. Say, come here. Say bye.
Bye.
All right.
Kids.
Bye, kids. Don't forget. Oh! Don't forget to subscribe and like. Oh.